How to make a new iCloud account. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make a new iCloud account. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our settings, and you can see in here the option to sign into your iPhone. So just click on this option right here, and if you don't have an Apple ID yet or you forgot it, then you can click this link right here. But you already have an existing account, then you can just enter your Apple ID right here. So for example, I don't have an Apple ID yet, so I can just click on this and click on create Apple ID, and then as you can see there's actually a loading screen. So just type in here your name. So I will type in here my name, then you can type in here your date of birth. So I will choose randomly, then click on next, and then this will load, and then you can have in here your email address. So for mine, I will add in my email address of this. I can use my Gmail, but you can also use iCloud.com. So click on next, and then it will ask for a password. So you can just enter a password right here, and then type in here to verify that password, and click on next again. And then this will ask for your phone number. You can use the known number. You can click on continue right here. So this is the terms and conditions. Just agree to that. You click on agree again, and then this will load like that, and you can now sign in into iCloud. So let's just wait for it for a while. So in here you can enter an iPhone passcode. So I will just enter a random passcode, and then this will load again. And as you can see, I have now successfully created this Apple ID. So I am now logged in here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to actually create or make a new iCloud account. So if you have any comments, just comment them down below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.